Rolling down that highway, running legal speed, thinking about the things you said before I had to leave. How you wanted me to stand, you wanted me to move along. So I'm keeping it between the lines, running with your music and your song. I'm standing at the crossroads, looking up and down, waiting for that light to change with no one else around. I'll tell you what I'm feeling, tell you what I wanna do. Lord, I know I could run that red light, but I'd rather wait and go across with you. Oh, it's a long, long road down the highway, and it's a long, long time to be gone. But there's a strong bloodline coming down from heaven, and I'm going home. I know I'm going home. In the darkness of the jungle, in the danger of the streets, the place a man can stumble, where the enemy defeats. You came into the quicksand, showed me I am not alone. Oh, when you put your arms around me, said you got me on the road and headed home. It's a long, long road down that highway, and it's a long, long time to be gone. But there's a strong bloodline coming down from Jesus, and I'm going home. I said I know I'm going home. Oh, I'm going home. No, it won't be long. I'm going home. Oh, going home. Oh, children, don't you know